Look, 3 little friends are ready for an adventure. Can your eyes follow where they go? Let's trace the lines together. Up, up, up the hill, and down we go. Vroom, all the way to the end. Here comes the little sailboat. It rocks on the water. Up a wave, down a wave. Glide. Finally, safe at the shore. Wiggle, wiggle. Look at the tiny pink worm. Following the green line. Wiggle up. Wiggle down. Finished. You traced all 3 paths. So slow, so calm. Great job.